Hello friends, today I'm going to demonstrate about the ninth experiment of web technology that is working with Ajax. So Ajax is basically asynchronous JavaScript and XML. So it is basically used to request a file from the server, etc., and to send data to the server. So it is basically used to update a part of a web page without reloading the whole web page. So here this experiment is actually the continuation of the previous one, that is the eighth one, which is registration page. So here I have to just create a live username availability checking in Ajax. So it means if the user is already available, so it will let me use that username whenever I type it. So in Ajax, uh, basically the HTML, the server request is sent by using the HTML XML HTTP request function. So it sends a request to the server, and we send the request using XML http.open with the method name, and then XML http.send is used for sending the function. And on the ready state change, the ready states help to hold the state of the object, that is it is a kind of server response. So on ready state event is triggered every time a ready state changes. So here I will go directly to my code. So this is register. So for that I have to I declare connect.php, which is my previously I have done it, and I have a title register. Okay, fine. And then I have a function check user, in which I'm passing this str string variable. So I create a object, that is new HTTP request object, and then I open and then send. Then I have one ready state change function. So if the state is 4 and the status is equal to 200, it means that the process is sent and processed, and the status is alright. So it will give me the response. So the response is given by using this dot response text. So here I have the registration file. I have used a post method and created a form. This is simple as creating a form, and here in this part I'm checking the error. So if is set, that is if the error, I'm passing this variable err. So if there is a password mismatch, it will give me this password mismatch error. Otherwise, if I have the same value inside the user, it will show me that username already exists. So here I have one blur function. So on blur equal to check user dot this value. So when on blur is just opposite of on focus. So when I'm typing something and I'm not focusing on it, that is on blur, it will send the value to the Ajax, and it will check if the username is already available over there. So it won't let me use the same username again. So for that username check, I have another function. So here also I need connect.php. S name get method is used, and user. So if name is equal to null, so that is if the name is not available, it will check and it will give me the result. So the result is stored in MySQL query. Otherwise, if my connection is not proper, it will give me this error. So if MySQL number of rows results is equal to 0, so if it's not true, it will give the results is available. Otherwise, if my result is already present, that is my username is already available in my database, then it will tell me that the username is not available. That is, I cannot use the same username again. So when I run this, so I'm getting the registration form. So previously I used Kim a name to register. So when I'm giving this Kim and on blur, switch on blur, so it's saying that the username Kim is not available. That means that it's checking the live availability of users. So since this is already available over there, so Ajax is not letting me to use this username again to register. So if I have to register it, I have to use some other name which is not available previously. and then I can register. So I will show that. And this password is also, so you can see it's registered. So this is how we use Ajax. Thanks for watching.